Alright guys, welcome back to another video featuring That Man Got Game. Today, yeah, we are walking in a snowstorm. If you guys can't hear me well, then I have my mask on. But yes, this is the 2022 snowstorm in Hartford. You guys coming? Yeah, I'm walking with some friends. I'm walking with some friends right now. But it's a mess out here. Sorry guys, I have not uploaded in a while. But yeah, they got the plows coming. There's a plow right now. There's a plow. Yeah. DOT is trying to do the best they can to clean up all this mess. But it doesn't look too good. Just a complete mess out here. Alright, yeah, here my friends coming. Why are you up there? Sorry, the smart things do is walk on the street. They plow the streets, not the sidewalk. Nigga, I dare you to walk on the entire fast track in New Britain. What? You don't walk on the entire fast track lane in New Britain and come back.
Yo, Jojo, Jimmy, guess what? Wait, you have your phone still?
I'm recording.
No, you have your phone still?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Because I can.
I thought your mom took it from you.
Can you shut up?
Oh, smack you, boy.
I'll drop you in the snow.
I'll beat your ass.
I'll do the same thing.
Try it, nigga. What?
Hey.
Right now. What's good? Oh.
Why you throwing snow? Nigga. Oh my god. So I got a backpack for a reason. You mad, nigga. Is that the train? Oh my god. I'm running now. Bye. Running. No. Alright, yeah, here comes another plow right now. Yeah, here's number one. Yeah, it's crazy out here. I don't know how anyone's gonna get across from here. They had to cancel all the connected transit, the parking lots. Yeah, that's done. Oh. The truck is stuck. Hold on, let me zoom in for you guys. Truck is stuck. It's stuck. It's stuck. Just from far distance. Alright, he messed it out. That was a JDM car, I think. That's no front bumper. I know it's not no JDM car, but it has no front bumper on it. Yeah, I might end the video off here. Oh, by the way, the snow is like, they said like 1 foot to 20 inches? Yeah, so that's still over 1 foot. So it's 12 inches to 20 inches. That's still over a foot. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.